For far too long, many of you have found solace in talking endlessly about your sickness and physical pain. Do you not realize the power of your words? Stop speaking incessantly about your sickness and physical pain. I want you to know that focusing on illness and suffering only amplifies them. When you constantly talk about these things, you give them power over your life. You feed it with your thoughts, your words, and your worries. You make it stronger, more prominent in your reality. I did not create you to dwell in sickness and pain. I did not breathe life into your soul so you could wallow in despair. No, my child, you were meant for so much more. You have the power to change your mindset, to shift your perspective, and to embrace a life filled with positivity and wellness. It's time to reclaim your power. Break away from the loop of discussions centered around your ailments. Redirect your conversations, understand the significance of speaking life over your body, and nurture the seeds of strength within your soul. I see your pain and your suffering, but I urge you to shift your perspective towards healing and wholeness. Instead of dwelling on your sickness and physical ailments, focus on the power of restoration that lies within you. When you constantly talk about your pain, you inadvertently give it more significance and power over your life. Your words shape your reality. I want you to change your focus. Instead, choose to speak words of health and vitality, affirming the healing that is already at work within you. Instead of dwelling on your ailments, start focusing on what brings you joy and harmony. Seek happiness in the simple pleasures of life and cherish the beautiful moments that pass unnoticed. You have grown accustomed to a life filled with doctor's appointments, medications, and endless treatments. But this is not the life that I intended for you. It's time to awaken to a new paradigm, where healing comes not from outside interventions, but from your own innate power. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Your body has incredible abilities to heal itself. Believe in this innate power and trust that with each passing day, you are growing stronger. Every time you speak of your ailments, you give them life. Your focus on the pain only serves to perpetuate its presence in your life. But today, I implore you to listen closely. It is time to shift your perspective, to embrace strength beyond pain. Remember, you are not defined by your suffering. You are powerful beings, capable of transcending the limitations of your physical bodies. Instead of dwelling on your afflictions, I invite you to shift your thoughts towards gratitude. Embrace the miracles your body performs daily. The breath that fills your lungs, the beat of your heart. Know this, dear ones, your body is a vessel for your soul, a temple to be revered. It was not meant to be a constant source of complaint, but rather a canvas for resilience and growth. Take a moment now to close your eyes and envision a life free from the chains of pain. See yourself vibrant, healthy, and filled with boundless energy. Believe in your ability to heal. Use the power of your words to affirm your strength. Declare aloud, I am strong, healthy, and whole. And watch as your reality begins to align with your affirmations, as peace finds its way back into your existence. So, my child, turn away from the grip of pain and embrace the divine truth that resides within each of you. Your strength knows no bounds. You are capable of miracles beyond your wildest dreams. Embrace practices that uplift your spirit and nurture your body. Engage in exercises that connect you with your inner strength and promote wellness. Through movement, you can awaken the dormant healing energy within you. Nourish yourself with wholesome, nutritious foods that fuel your body. Each bite can be an affirmation of your commitment to vibrant health. I understand your physical ailments and the pain you may endure. But I also want you to remember the power of faith and healing. When you choose to speak words of faith, you invite my healing presence into your life. You declare that you trust in my power to restore you, both physically and emotionally. Instead of fixating on your pain, focus on living a life full of joy, purpose, and gratitude. Trust in my promise of healing and live as an example of my love and goodness. By changing your mindset and speaking faith-filled words, you can allow me to work miracles in your life. I am your ultimate source of healing, and can provide the strength to overcome any physical obstacle. Remember, your words hold incredible power. Choose to speak words of healing, hope, and optimism, knowing that my love and grace flow abundantly in your life. Your thoughts have immense power. When you dwell on sickness and pain, you inadvertently attract more of it into your life. Redirect your thoughts towards the beauty in life. Quiet your mind and invite healing energy to flow freely through your body. I know you're constantly talking about sickness and pain, but can you talk about something else for a change? It's as if you have forgotten the power within you. I get it, life can be tough, and pain is a real part of it. But do you really want your whole existence to revolve around it? I did not create you to be weak. I gave you strength, resilience, and the ability to heal. There's so much beauty in the world. Instead of obsessing over sickness and pain, why not focus on the good? Healing happens within you, not just in the doctor's office. Look around you. See all those miracles happening every day? The laughter, sunsets, kindness, and love? That's what life is all about. Cultivate a peaceful mind, for it is the key to a healthy body. Find inner calm amidst chaos, and let go of fear and worry. I created you to experience joy, to care for one another, and to find peace. So, shift your focus away from sickness and pain and towards hope and healing. I know it's easy to get caught up in a cycle of negativity, focusing only on our ailments and grievances. Seek uplifting conversations that revitalize your spirit. Of course, seeking medical help is vital. But stop allowing your conversations to solely revolve around your ailments. Focus on your overall well-being and the possibilities of healing. Life is too short to dwell on sickness and pain. Imagine waking up each day, feeling strong, revitalized, and free from any ailment. Picture yourself engaging in activities you once thought were impossible. Through God's revelation, this life can become your reality. But how do you tap into this liberating power? It starts with a deep connection to me through prayer, faith, and surrender. As you invite me into your life, you open yourself up to my divine healing touch. This revelation challenges the traditional notions of sickness and pain. It encourages you to see beyond your physical limitations and to believe in my miraculous power. It's time to break free from the chains of illness and embrace a life of abundance. So, from this moment forward, make a conscious effort to shift your conversations away from sickness and pain. Surround yourself with positive influences and engage in uplifting discussions. By shifting the narrative from illness to empowerment, you open the door for healing, both physically and mentally. Let go of the constant obsession with sickness and pain. Embrace the divine within you, and live a life full of hope and vitality. You have the power to take control of your health and well-being. Nourish your body with nutritious food, move with intention, and embrace the healing power of love and compassion. I created you in my image, with bodies capable of healing and thriving. So, choose your words wisely. Speak words of healing, of strength, and of vitality. Declare your wellness and watch as your body aligns with the positive energy flowing through you. Remember that you are not alone in your journey towards wholeness. I am here, guiding you every step of the way. Trust in the power of faith, for it can move mountains and heal the deepest wounds. Trust in my love, have faith in your inherent strength, and embrace the wholeness that awaits you. It's time to take a step of faith and surrender to my healing touch. I love you.